much time, so I can only give two fellas a little love. I want to invite two fellas to come up here and dance right here. Hey, don't push, don't act crazy. I got some rules for y'all too, because my mama's here and she don't like this part, okay? All right, I need two gentlemen. Here goes number one. Calm it down. Cool. Come right here. Where's my next gentleman? Where's Vanessa? There you go. Come on. Come up here. Go. Just jump onto the stage. Hey. No, don't push. In fact, you know what? I'll let one more come up. You want? He was here first. Come on. He was better. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Make it quick. I don't got that much time. So, these are the rules. Are you listening? There's rules. Pay attention. Are you listening? No, and do not touch me inappropriately. Don't pick me up, or I will kick you off this stage. Don't pick me up. Don't touch too low, or you're gonna get me in trouble. You can look, but you can't touch. You know what I'm saying? All right, so look, Port St. Lucie ladies, you're gonna help me pick who's the most fly, okay? Because they're gonna represent you tonight. Drop the song so I can sing. See, you already gotta go. He's gotta go. I need another gentleman. He's acting too crazy. You, come on. You lost your chance. You're not paying attention. This ain't a game. You gone. Come on. Goodbye. He's trying to touch on my keyboard and not listen to my song. Okay, ready? Let it drop now. I'm gonna sing first. You know you always lead in the way, yeah. Give me a million reasons to stay. I'm singing for real. When my world's been upside down, you still made me feel special. Something I never felt. Let me see you start moving. Let me see you. You see me and let me see it. Let me be exactly. You got a big stick. Oh, I'm just like it. If you're the moon and I'm your sky. Listen, this is the part grown woman. Du paente c'est le monde parler. Girl, that's some grown woman thing right there. Du pito pone que mono, yeah. Whoa. Ele la vida pomplaca. You still make me feel special. Something I never felt. Let me see you start whining like this right there. Oh, and wet. Let me see you. Yeah. Keep your clothes on. Keep your clothes on. Good thing I don't have to take my clothes off to get fancy like that. Put your clothes back on and come show me something, because that ain't gonna do nothing for me. When you wanna act crazy, you're gonna come first, because you had a lot to do. Watch them. You only have this little space to dance. Actually, I don't trust that you're not gonna drive me. Come over here. You remember the rules? Let's go. I can't lie. He's good. All right. Number 2, come on. I have a feeling he's gonna be dope. He got that respect on his flag. Let's go. we got one more. And then not, just let it rock after this. Come on, brother, get your phone, put your phone down. Ain't no time for phones. Come on. Oh, he nervous. He won. You'll never leave my side. Give it up for my boy right here. He represented Port St. Lucie in the past. What's your name, babe? Ason? Apkaloui. What's your name, babe?
Sorry, singer.
Sonny Singer. Give it up for him one more time. Okay, Sonny, one more class. I need to make room for my ladies and I. Girls, are you gonna do this right from where you at? Look. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. Look, let me tie my shoes.